Good morning. So, alas 5 na ng umaga at magkakape tayo, guys. Kakatapos ko lang magpainit ng tubig. So, good morning! Marami tayong gagawin ngayon, guys. Nakikita niyo yan? So, hindi pa ako nakakapag-print. Kailangan ko pang mag-print para malaman ko yung mga ibabalot natin for today. Okay. Start na tayo.
Tuwang sa mga problema mong dala, bahala na bukas, yeah. Basta alam ko lang, bukas alaala na lang lahat ng bagay na yan. Huwag kang magpapadala, ako bahala, tara. Huminga malalim at mag-vibe, o magbabay na. Sa hangin mo ipatangay lahat na parang
So, start na tayo, guys. Ayan ang ating pagbabalutan dito. Nalilista. Walang laman yung ating mga stocks. Kaya ng stocks pala. So, wala naman talaga tayong stocks, guys. Medyo umuulan ngayon. Okay. Ito yung ating ampalaya dito sa likod ng ating bahay. So, punta tayo sa ating computer. Umuulan. Umuulan. Ay.
Every morning when I rise up, every breath you give to me, my heart wakes up remembering your mercy never leaves. In the blessings all around me, in the battles that I face, even in the fire, you're shaping me. I can see your grace. Thank you, Lord. My heart is singing. Every breath belongs to you. Thank you, Lord. I keep believing. Everything you say is true forever. Thank you, Lord, for all that I am. Every day that I live shows the touch of your hand. If today I have won, it was you who led me on. Your grace lifted me.